Morning, Micah. Sorry about the delay in getting this video to you. I decided I wanted to re-record it and show you using your course rather than someone else's. If you notice here, I'm impersonating you. That way I have access to your full Panopto account. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to additional learning materials here in week one. I'm going to open that in a new page, and that's going to open up your week one lecture. I'm going to use this arrow here, and when I watch it in Panopto, it's going to open it up in a separate window. And I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to go to your folder, and we should be able to see all of your videos here. All right. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on share for that first video, and then I have this link. And that's how you acquire your link. I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to go back to week one, and I'm going to add a new link. Paste the URL into the URL space, and we're going to title this Intro to Planet Earth. We're going to ask it to open as an external resource, and then we're going to hit Create. And it's going to show you right there. It's ready to go. We're going to go back to the folder and see how it appears. So it should be down here at the bottom, Intro to Planet Earth. When you click on it, it's going to open in a new window, and it's going to show in this format. So you've got the talking head up here. I'm going to pause you. You've got the talking head up here, the actual slide, and then these are the slides that the students can click on if they want to go back and review. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to write me, give me a call, whatever is necessary. Good luck.